Hey, what's up, YouTube fam? What's going on? Hopefully, you all have had a great month. It's been a while since I made a video. I've been really busy. Jessica and we thought we were going to buy a house this year. Turns out we can't do that yet, so we got a new place, and here's how it started.
Hi guys, we are on the way to go sign the lease for our first apartment.
So I know you guys, I explained earlier, probably like last month, that I would take you guys along for us trying to buy a house. Well, that didn't work yet, so we ended up getting an apartment, and right now we are going to sign the lease like Jessica said. So we will see you when we get there.
Wish us luck.
Alright, what's up everybody? YouTube fam. We are here at our apartment place. We just signed our lease and did all that fun stuff. So Jessica's riding in this here buggy, aka golf cart, right over there. And I'm gonna follow her to our apartment and I'll see you when we get there, which is like 5-10 seconds. Alright everybody, we're in here. So excited. Yeah. How are you feeling?
Scared.
This is her first time being out on her own. I haven't been out on my own since 2008, so like 10 years ago. That was before my accident. So I'm extremely nervous. I've had trouble sleeping the past like 4 nights. Didn't know if we were going to get this place or not. But it's a nice little 1-bedroom. We're on the ground floor. You can see right out there. So this would be the nice living room, dining room area. And then, yeah, nice little concrete counter. Big closet. Pretty big kitchen for what it is. And just so everybody knows, I've always hand washed dishes. Never once had a dishwasher. So I'm so excited for that. And then over here's the bathroom. Got the handles because the last person was handicapped. Just happens if I have a rough day, I can use them too. So yeah. And then our bedroom. Well, what will be our bedroom? She's right where I guess the bed's gonna be.
Yeah.
So, and she's got a nice little closet here. And then that's just gonna be for her like daily clothes. And then she's got this closet right here, which we'll have to fab something up in here. But it's pretty big in here. Like in some countries, this might be a bedroom. So it's pretty cool. Alright, so y'all see what it was like when there was nothing in here. Now let's take a tour of what it's like with stuff in here. Alright, so this is our living room. Got our TV, Xbox, cable, and all that. Just a few trophies. Some of our movies, some other stuff. Just a painting that we got like 2 years ago. And that over there is a picture that we got for Christmas. And her dad actually framed it for us, so that was really cool. Got this big mirror, little stand, bedrooms in there. Got all the stuff in the kitchen. Sorry, it's really messy, but you know, we're still getting stuff situated. It's taken about a month, so thank you for sticking with me.